Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So jika kalian suka saya baru asyik video. Nama bangla comments banga kena start siapa plat dengan kam kena suki. Ndrai ngangai film sekali taruh dan banga di brio bakal start kan don hi kena start hang di hang teh. Ndrai jadi ada bangla suki kan bangla. Dia ndrai kena punya semua kata kai kan punya berasi kali ba. Yang kena video berasi ni ianga mangali concert jong Sheeran tang fini Henry fin yo sngoru jing roi kiba la perform do Sheeran menen kesni nomor ba kan video tang shoot betam step hadim bar one concert men jong Sheeran kami wa shoot men nomor balai kawe kadi nomor ba ka blog tingin haban poi close te sakwe jurong bhaul lain tingin haban yang lain dei han ka daw ka ba kolong ba han news ki ong sha pan ratam la ka phone ka polet yang kamu rakyat power bank nomor bang salia yo hi kyo kim sha berong sabo yo don jing thot yang tete salia tiang tadang kamera power bank ye tiang la shu shme phone ngala shu yele ban save battery kat balak nang bangan yo ban shoot hado ban ikut ka concert dia dengan ngai film so ye kata teh ndek shwa ka bang setang no yang ni video sekarang follow yang Facebook ka link ke description hang tu hang shu post video ke link kot kum ke reels dan ki TikTok dan ki lagi ba tip shwa di hang tu kita ke video kidan saya follow and saya pay video Nganu punya show, instang lebih no, direct ke video.
The next day.
Like nó ta, phun ra nè. Aja nak like baca sahaja macam. Okay, ni dah slap. Kan ni ya? Nanti dia nampak. Link baca tu depo shipet nomor ba kan sa dapat keluar mampu bayar pun siapan ra apply. Apa sih battery phone. Let's go, dah lagi. Boy kita. Gila boy ini ya Jakarta concert ini ke stage kalau kamu dulu ke stage ke stage
You guys look beautiful this evening.
After that performance, ada performance ting saya apa pun Sheeran menyoi.
A few moments later.
running from the law. Take me back to when we found out weekend jobs when we got paid. Driving out 19 and on the street. Thank you so much for coming out. It's my first time ever here, and I'm so happy to be here. If you've never seen my show before, everything you hear tonight is completely live. This is called a loop pedal. There is no backing track whatsoever. It's made live on the spot, looped on the spot. All the layers are done on the spot. And at the end it's deleted, and it won't be the same at the next gig. The way that it works, you press record like this, and when you press play, it plays back. You can add layers on top of it. Add a layer. Hey! Hey! I'm gonna do a lot of that. I want it all. Lipstick on my guitar. Fill up the engine, we can drive real far. Go dancing underneath the star. Oh yeah, I want it all. You got me feeling like I wanna be that guy. I wanna kiss you right. I wanna drink that Sprite. I wanna feel like I my soul's on fire. I wanna stay up all day and all night. Yeah, I wanna bring you to the night. That bring your closer. Give me the shirt. Baby, you wanna dance to the sunlight lights. And then they say party's over, they will bring.
Funny.
Thank you.
Yo.
This next song's from my second album. Goes like this. Oh, I'm a mess right now, inside out, searching for a sweet surrender. This is not the end. I can't work it out. I've dove into emotions. Look so bright, I wanna feel your love. Baby, baby, I'm alive for tonight. I want to play you a song that I wrote when I was 18 years old. When I was 18 years old, I was playing open mic night gigs in London where you'd sort of turn up, you play 4 songs in a pub. Maybe you'd have 1 person watching you, maybe you'd have 5 people watching you, maybe you'd have 10 people watching you. But the people who were watching you did not want to hear music. They wanted to catch up with their friends and have a pint. So by you playing guitar, that was annoying. But every time I would go, I would bring new songs, I would try and win them over. And when I wrote this song, I really thought that this was the song that would change everything. And I went in that night and I played it, and no one cared. And I came in the next day, I played it again, and no one cared. I came in the next day and no one cared, and so on and so on and so on. But eventually, after a while, a small group of people started to care. And then that group got bigger and bigger and bigger until this song became a sort of minor hit within the United Kingdom. And then I signed a record deal and it became a major hit within the United Kingdom. And then it took me around the world. It basically like opened up every single door for me. And I've got to be honest, when it happened, I was like 19 years old, and I thought that this would be a one-hit wonder, and I would basically travel the world for free for 18 months, and then that would be it. And I was happy with that, because I really enjoyed traveling the world. And still, 15 years on, being able to come to places that I've never been before and play this song blows my mind. So I'm going to play this song. And I want to say that I remember, if I can close my eyes, I remember playing it to nobody. And when I open my eyes, I get to see 30,000 people here in Shillong tonight. If you know the words, sing it out. If you don't, make them up. White lips, pale face, breathing in slow place, burn alongside taste. And they say she's in class 18, stuck in daydreaming in this way since 18. But video at the moment, I want you guys to get in it. What I'd love for you to do is everyone put a light on your phone and hold it in the air, please. I want to see a sea of lights right now. And sing with me, this chorus, here we go. Keep wasting, rumbling like pace. From freezer, I saw we all under the upper hand. Go mad for a couple grand. We don't wanna go outside tonight. Cause in the pipe we'll fly to the motherland. Send love to another man. It's too cold outside for angels to fly. Paint splashed teardrops on my shirt. Water in that tonight. I'll pour here up in my blood. Turns into alcohol. Sing it as loud as you can for as long as you can. Let the harmony say yeah! Harmony say yeah! It's so much louder than you guys. Try that one more time. Say yeah! Say yeah! Repeat after me, don't stop singing. Sing whoa! Give me love! Give me love! Oh, give me love, my mind, oh, give me love. That we visited in India, and you are by far the loudest, by far. Thank you. And the thing is, we're just warming up. I need you louder than that. We're just gonna warm up your vocals. By the end of the gig, my goal tonight is that when people ask you tomorrow, hey, how was the show? You go, yeah, it was great. That's my goal. But we'll ramp up to it. We're not just gonna go full pelt. We'll warm you up, don't worry. We're gonna warm them up. Repeat after me. Oh, 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 I'm gonna pick up the pieces, but I want you to keep me warm. I'm out of touch, I'm out of sight, I'm out of mind. I'll do it all for you in time. And out of all these things I've done, I think I love you better now. Sing, oh, 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 Everyone in this stadium at some point in their life has lost someone close to them. Every single one of us. Sometimes the people we lose, it happens very gradually and we make peace with it over time before they pass away. However painful it is, we sort of know that it's coming, and sometimes the people we lose, it happens very, very suddenly. In 9 days' time, it's going to be 3 years since I lost my best friend, and it was just a phone call from his mum in the morning telling me that he died, and then that was it. I didn't see him again. But I went through a stage of grief called denial, where I convinced myself that it was a mistake and that I probably would see him again, and we would bump into each other, and I sort of felt like this for a month until his funeral, until like physically seeing his coffin. But I wrote this song in that month period where I thought that he might come back. It's called Eyes Closed. At this point I have not been sing-alongs, I'm just saying we've been warming your voices up to a point where you because if you don't know the words to this next song, you're at the wrong concert. With your legs on my leg, and I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from the cheeks? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 17. Baby, my heart could symbolize at 23. But I'm thinking about how years ways, baby, just a touch of a hand. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me, we found love right where we are. When my hair's all gone and my memory fades, and this crowd won't remember my name. When my hands don't play the strings the same. This way, maybe it's a part of a plan. Well, I'll just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. So baby, now kiss me under the sun and the mountain stars. Place your hand on my beating heart. I'm digging out. Sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Baby, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh, my darling, place your hand on my beating heart. Thinking out loud, baby, we found love right where we are. Baby, we found love right where we are. And we found love right where we are. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. You singing this part here? Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. But like loud, 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 loud. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. A little bit louder than that. You need to be louder than my vocal. Come on, come on. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Right, one more time without my vocal. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, that is gonna. I know I was happier with you. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Sat in the corner of the room. Everything Friends told me one day I feel it too. And until then I smile and hide the truth. I know I was happier with you. Baby, you look will one day you fall for someone new. But if it breaks your heart like lovers do, just know that I'll be waiting here for you. So I write a lot of songs. A lot of songs. Some of the songs get released, some of the songs don't get released. Some of the songs go and be given to someone else to sing and they make it a big hit. I gave this song to a friend of mine back in 2015 who made it a big hit. I wrote this song on a tour bus from Boston to Canada. It goes like this. For all the times that you made all the clubs you get in using my name. You broke my heart with your love and medicine. You think I'm crying on my own? Well, I ain't. Didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care. I don't think it should be something that I wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my job is to see what's going on. But now I know you like the way you look that much. Or maybe you should go and love yourself. If you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. When you told me that you hated my friends, the only problem was with you and not them. Every time you told me, and I never liked to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, or maybe you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Sing the trumpet solo. All the times when you made me feel small, you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. And the original lyrics. If you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should just fuck yourself. Maybe we can get down. We can understand everything that no matter. Some of the things so strange when I was thinking the family, some difficult things. Till then we got nothing to say, nothing to know, but the drink and maybe trying to smoke. Whisper, sing, sing. You asked for your hand, cause you're waiting for me. But I know you're gonna be away a while. Stay with me. But it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. Oh, we keep this love in a photograph. Time through frozen still. Ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can mend your soul. That I know love. I swear it will get easy. Lost memories for ourselves. When our eyes never close. Oh, you can keep me inside a pocket of your red jeans, holding me closer till the eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. That's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside a necklace you bought when you were 16. Next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep in your soul. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I'm away. I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street. Hearing you whisper through the phone. Sing it now. Wait for me to come home. And trust me, I've done this a lot of times when the stadium person that goes, now is my time to be heard. But I'm gonna ask if that can't happen. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. How loud you can sing. I found a love perfect tonight. Well, I found with an alone. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday every morning I'll get so faded. Oh, no, leave me alone. You're so strong. Thank you so much. I love the energy of this city. We drove around it yesterday. I played football today with some kids, and I just love how this city is and how this city feels. I really, really feel welcomed here. Thank you so much for being so kind. I also know it's a Wednesday night. You guys could be doing anything on a Wednesday night. You've made a load of efforts coming. I know people have travelled miles to be here today, so thank you so much for making so much effort. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Stop the clocks, it's amazing. You should see the way the light dances off your head. A million colors of haze. Beauty I can go.
The one buka bro, pasti.
The way the rest I change. The radio is playing. This is a new dimension. I will hold on to the afterglow. I will hold on to the afterglow. Good night, Shillong. Thank you so much.
Takut. Tahun berapa? Buatan bisa dah kok.
Trying to pity ways, you're gonna be breaking into other people's chink like cheese.
Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Baby, come on. Baby, come on. Come on, I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. Shillong, I'm in love with the shape of you.
This final song, I want to see the whole stadium jumping up and down on the chorus. So when the chorus kicks in, you jump until they put your hands in the air. Every time you come around, like there's nothing left to lose or use or do my bad habits. Take away the eyes, staring at the
Yun, na-jump. Rapid,